Are you still manually replying to your customers? Then you're totally wasting your time, because in this video I'm going to show you how you can automate your conversations with your clients or customers. So now for that we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So now let's move on towards my WhatsApp to test the WhatsApp chatbot which I have already built in, so that you can understand it's working for your business too. So right here I'm on my WhatsApp, where I'm going to send a message to my business number which is saved here as my test number. So as a user I'm sending this message, that is hello, and now let's wait for the response. And right here you can see that I'm getting this welcome message with two buttons, that is book appointment and ask question. So here I will be selecting this first button, that is book appointment, and as I have selected it, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my pet's name. So here I'm going to enter my pet's name as Fluffy. So here I have provided my pet's name. Now afterwards I'm getting a message which is asking me what type of pet do I have. So here I'm going to enter it as cat, and as I have provided the type of pet, I'm getting a message which is asking me which date I want to prefer. So here I will be entering it as 21st May 2026, and as I have provided my preferred appointment date, I'm getting a message which is asking me to enter my name. So here I will be entering my name as demo user. So now let me just type it. So as I have provided my name, I'm getting an appointment confirmation message which says your appointment request is received. So now you have seen that by using this WhatsApp chatbot, as a user I can interact with this business. And now here I'm going to select the second button, that is ask question. And here as I've selected this button, I'm getting this message, that is hey, how may I help you? And here I'm going to enter just a random question. So here I'm going to enter this message, that is when should my pet get vaccinated? Now let's wait for the response. And now you might be thinking how this is going to respond. So here I have assigned AI assistant to this particular button, that is ask question, which will resolve all my queries. So right here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. And now here I'm going to enter another question, that is surgery safe for pets? Now let's wait for the response. And now you might be thinking how this AI assistant is responding according to my business. So it is doing so because I have provided it the knowledge base, and right here you can see that I'm getting the answer of my question. So by looking up at this chatbot, you can see that I have automated the customers' conversations with my business using this WhatsApp chatbot. And now let me show you the knowledge base which I have provided to my AI assistant. So right here you can see this is the knowledge base which I have provided to my AI assistant, which basically acts as a brain for the AI assistant. So my AI assistant is responding to all my queries by fetching the data from this particular knowledge base which contains details of my business. So now there's no chances of misleading answers. So basically what you write here is provided by your AI assistant to your customers, resolving their queries. So now let me show you how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot for automating the conversations with your clients or the customers. And for that you have to move towards the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow. So right here I'm on the flow page of Pabbly Chatflow, which is the most important window for creating this WhatsApp chatbot. So if you are an existing user, then you definitely know how to get onto this page, but if you are a new user to the Pabbly Chatflow, then you have to access it by opening the new tab and typing its URL, that is pabbly.com/chatflow. And once you will enter the URL, you will land to the home page of Pabbly, where you will see two options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user or logging your account over the Pabbly Chatflow first time, then you can just click over the sign up free. And if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow, you get 100 free credits every month for practicing and exploring Pabbly Chatflow. But if you are an existing user like me, then you can just click over the sign in. And if you like this WhatsApp chatbot and want to create it for your business too, then I have bought this amazing offer for you. So right on the screen you can see this discount coupon code, that is STUYT, which is going to provide you heavy and exclusive discounts on yearly and lifetime subscription plans of Pabbly. So make sure to use this discount coupon code before buying any of our Pabbly product. But I will suggest you to firstly try out our Pabbly Chatflow, Pabbly Connect, and many more amazing applications provided by Pabbly, and afterwards you can proceed towards the subscription plans. Now let's move on towards the flow page, where make sure to add your WhatsApp number with the Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn this whole process, then you can find the video link in the description given below. Now here I have provided this flow the name, automate customer conversations on WhatsApp. So now let's create this bot for automating the customer's conversation. So right here on the flow page, we are getting this option for trigger. So trigger is basically the event which initiate our WhatsApp chatbot, and this trigger event can be keyword or the regex entered by your users, or if your user starts a conversation, and many more. But here I'm going to keep it as keyword regex match. Now you might be wondering, what is this keyword and regex? So keywords are the words which initiate your WhatsApp chatbot. So right here, as we have recently interacted with our WhatsApp chatbot, we have initiated it by entering this message, that is hello. So this is the keyword which has initiated our WhatsApp chatbot recently. So I'm going to enter it over here. So I'm going to just type it and press the enter key, and here our keyword is ready, and afterwards we are getting this option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the advanced user input. So if you want to trigger any of the advanced user input, then you can enter regex like this. But for now I already have my keyword, so I'm removing it from here. And you can also enable the skip trigger matching too. Now on your left hand side, you can see these messages and action blocks, which you can think as main building block for creating this WhatsApp chatbot flow. So you can drag any of these blocks such as text button, list, media button, etc., and create the flow for your WhatsApp chatbot. And you can even drag the action blocks too for creating the flow. And now if my user sends me a message, I'm going to send them a welcome message, and for that you just have to drag and drop, and right here we are getting all these message notes. So here I will be selecting this text button, which you can get from this message block too. And now here I'm going to enter a welcome message for my customers or the clients. So here I have entered this welcome message. Now I'm going to create a button by simply selecting this add button, and here I'm going to enter my button name as book appointment. Now from this field of the button type, you can select your button type either as quick reply or link if you want this button to react as a link. Now we just have to click over this save button, and right here my button has been successfully created. And now I am going to create one more button by simply selecting this add button again, and here I have created my both buttons. Now if my user select this first button, that is book appointment, I am going to ask some questions from my customers for booking the appointment, and for that you just have to move over the actions where you will see this node, that is ask question. So by using this question node, I am going to ask a question regarding the user's pet's name. So here I have entered this question asking for the pet's name. Now let's select the contact custom field as pet name too, and afterwards I'm going to select my format as any. Now you might be thinking, what is this contact custom field? So you can think of contact custom field as a particular column which consists of the particular data. So right here, this contact custom field pet name will consist of the pet name provided by my user. So now by using the $sign before this particular contact custom field, you can send personalized messages to your customers. And if you wish to create your own contact custom field, then you just have to move over the settings where you will see this option of contact custom fields, and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page, which I have already opened, where you can see the previously created contact custom fields by me. Now for creating a new one, we just have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name and click over the save button, and your contact custom field will be created. And likewise, I'm going to add some more questions to this flow. So right here you can see I have added some more questions to this flow, and now if my user provides me answer of all these questions, I'm going to provide them a thank you or the confirmation message by using the text button node. So I'm going to enter my confirmation message over here. So here I have entered this confirmation message. So with this we are done with our first button. Now let's move on towards our second button, that is ask question. So I'm going to assign my AI assistant to this particular button, and for that you have to use this node, that is assign AI assistant given over the action block. And now this AI assistant is going to resolve all my customer queries. So as soon as my user will select this ask question node, my AI assistant will be triggered, and here I'm going to select the AI assistant which I have already created in my Pabbly Chatflow account. So if you want to create your own AI assistant, then you just have to go towards the AI assistant given over the sidebar, and if you want to learn the whole process of creating the AI assistant, then you can check the video given on the description. And now here I'm going to select the AI assistant, that is AI assistant for pet clinic, and now it is asking me how I want to start my AI assistant. So here I want to start my AI assistant with the welcome message, so I'm going to select it, and you can select it according to you. Now here I'm going to enter the welcome message which I'm going to send to my customers as soon as they select this button, that is ask question. So this is the welcome message which I'm going to send to my customers if they select this button, that is ask question. And now this AI assistant will resolve all the queries of my customer based on this knowledge base, and this knowledge base contains all the details of my business. And you might have observed one thing, that I have provided all the details in the key points so that my AI doesn't get confused. And make sure to start your knowledge base with the business overview so that your AI can understand about your business and can know who your target audience is. And now with this we are done with our creation application of this flow by using which you can automate the conversations with your customers on the WhatsApp. Now we just have to save it by simply selecting the save button, and right here you can see our flow has been updated successfully and it is saved successfully. So now you can also automate your customers conversations, and you can modify this flow according to you by using all these blocks or the nodes. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now, and I have provided the link of the flow which I have recently created in the description box, so make sure to check it out. And if you face any doubts or challenges, then don't forget to mention it in the comment section, and make sure to use the coupon code STUYT before buying any of our Pabbly product. So thank you for watching this video. And not only this chatbot, you can build many more amazing chatbots like this by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So if you want to learn more about the pricings and plans that fit your needs, then you can visit the link given over here. And if you have any queries or need assistance, then you can mail us at the email provided. And if you found this video really helpful, then hit the like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such automation tutorials. So thanks for watching.